Understanding You've Filled Out, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have heard or read in English conversations. You've filled out. This phrase can be quite confusing, especially for English language learners. So, let's break it down together and understand its meaning, usage, and nuances. Stick around till the end to become more confident in using this phrase correctly. "You've filled out" is a phrase that's often used to comment on someone's physical appearance, specifically referring to their gain in weight or muscle in a way that is usually considered positive. It implies that a person has become fuller or rounder, especially in the context of growing up, working out, or recovering from a period of illness or undernourishment. It's important to note that the intention behind this phrase is generally positive, focusing on health and growth. Understanding the context in which "you filled out" is used is crucial. It's typically employed in informal settings among friends, family, or close acquaintances. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. After a long illness, "I'm so glad to see you filled out since the last time I saw you. You look healthy." Regarding physical fitness, "Have you been working out? You've really filled out in your upper body." Commenting on a child or teenager's growth. "Look at how much you filled out since last summer. You're growing up fast." Remember, while the phrase is intended to be complimentary, sensitivity is key. People have diverse feelings about their bodies, and comments about body shape or weight can be delicate. In today's world, being culturally sensitive and aware of how your words might affect others is essential. While "you filled out" is generally positive, it's important to choose your words carefully, especially if you're not sure how the other person might perceive such a comment. Here are some alternative phrases that can convey a similar message without focusing directly on body weight or shape. "You look healthy and strong." "You seem to be in great shape." "You're glowing with health." These alternatives focus on the person's health and vitality, which are always great to compliment. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "you've filled out," and how to use it thoughtfully and appropriately. English is full of nuances that can make it a challenging yet rewarding language to learn and master. Remember, understanding the context and maintaining sensitivity towards others' feelings are key in effective communication. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.